Hi there, Mark Wheatley here from Full Power Utilities, and I just want to provide you with a quick demo of our new utility management portal. So there are three main benefits to the portal. The first one is that it will bring all of your bills from all of your utilities from across your portfolio into one location and make them available along with your contract information 24/7. The second benefit is that it will help automatically validate your utility bills to ensure they are correct. And finally, it will give you a holistic view of your utility consumption and allow you to reduce costs and manage this better. So I'm just going to show you some data that we put in for a demo. First thing to mention is that the portal is completely customizable. What we've done here is we've set up a few options for you to view data, but this is customizable. We can add data, remove data, depending on the client's requirements. So when you log in, you'll land on a dashboard, and this is going to give us a quick overview of some of the data available from the previous month. So it's telling us that there was just 887 units of electricity consumed last month. It will then plot the data over a time frame to show you how consumption is being affected throughout the year and put that into cost terms as well. Now, if I move along, and I'm just going to click onto the tab that says My Properties, this may take a minute to load. Now, with this demo, we've only got one site that's currently set up in this section here, but what the portal will allow you to do is set up multiple logins for multiple people within your organization so they can view the information that's pertinent to them. So, for example, if you run a chain of restaurants and you've got 30 sites, you might have two regional managers, each managing 2 sites. They can each have their own login to view their 15 sites and manage the energy and utility performance at their sites. So again, complete flexibility there. Now, with this demo, we've only got electricity data loaded in, but we can, of course, load gas data as well as water. So the options are there. Now, below, we've got a few more examples of some sites that are available. So if we click on the one that says Liverpool Street, it will give us some more information about this particular site. Now, this is where we can actually see how the system automatically, through API links to the suppliers, pulls your bills into one location. Now, we can see these here in the top right box, which says Recent Bills, and then the tab next to it that says Contract Details. Now, this is a huge benefit if you've got a large portfolio and your sites are spread across the UK, and for the purpose of achieving better tariffs for your supplies, you might have multiple utility suppliers. You might have a supplier for gas, one for electricity, and one for water, for example. Now, without the Full Power portal, what you'd have to do is log in every month to each of your supplier portals to access your bills. Now, this can be an arduous task, and you also have to learn how to use their portals. Well, the Full Power Utility Management Portal brings all of the information into one location and allows you to view it easily, and you only have to learn how to use one system. So if I look here, we'll look at the bill for this site for May, and if I click on the download button, it will download the PDF, and then I can view the bill. Now, next to that, there's a little green tick. Now, what this indicates is the bill has been validated. Now, how this works is that we load your contract information for the particular site into the system, and then automatically, as the bill is pulled into the portal from the relevant suppliers portal, it will automatically validate and cross-reference the bill details with the contract information. If there's anything untoward, it will flag that up and send a notification to yourself or us or both, depending on how you would like it set up, and we can check and get that corrected with the supplier. So an example might be that there's the wrong VAT rate that's been applied. So they may have applied a 20% VAT rate when it should be 5%. Now, this can be invaluable, especially when you pay via direct debit, because it will notify us or yourself of a problem before the direct debit is taken. So we've covered off the fact that the portal pulls all of your utility bills into one location and the bill validation service. It also, of course, provides an overview of your consumption. And there are multiple reports available, and these can be used to review how your particular sites are performing. So, for example, you may have a site that revenue-wise is doing just as well as another, but is consuming far more electricity and gas than the other sites. Now, there may be an operational problem there, and you may want to go and do a site visit to find out what's going on. Now, this is just the start of the portal. We will, of course, constantly develop this, and we know it's going to become more useful, more intuitive to our clients, but we do honestly believe this is a fantastic tool to revolutionize the way that you manage your utilities across your portfolio.